Stars are born in nebulae. Huge clouds of debris collapse under a gravitational pull, forming protostars that last about 50 million years. Stars grow as they age. As the core runs out of fuel, also known as hydrogen and helium, the core will contract and the outer layers will cool, causing it to become less bright. This now forms a red giant or a supergiant, depending on initial mass. These will eventually collapse and explode, leaving a black dwarf, neutron star, or black hole. Other side. Nebulae form protostars in about 50 million years. From protostars, if there is not enough material for nuclear fusion, it turns into a black dwarf. If there is enough material for nuclear fusion, a newborn star is born in about 10 billion years. Fusion begins when temperature reaches 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. Nuclear reaction occurs when hydrogen atoms are converted to helium atoms plus energy. From newborn stars, main sequence stars are created. These are also called young stars. The yellow dwarf stars, which are smaller main sequence stars, and red dwarf stars, which are cool, small, and very faint. The surface temperature for a red dwarf is about 4,000 degrees. These are the most common stars. Dwarf stars are smaller, which are up to 20 times the size of our sun, and up to 20,000 times brighter. From these two types, two subtypes created. These are the white dwarf and the neutron stars. White dwarf stars are small, dense, hot, and made of carbon. These are what remain when a red giant loses its layers. Their nuclear cores are depleted, and when it cools, it forms a black dwarf star. Neutron stars are small, super dense packed neutrons with hydrogen atmosphere. Giants and supergiant stars are old stars formed from main sequence stars which continue to grow in mass. Red giant stars are relatively old stars whose diameter is about 100 times larger than it was originally. These are mostly orange in color and 20 times as massive as the sun, while being 14,000 times brighter. Blue giant stars are huge, very hot blue stars which burn helium. Supergiant stars are the largest known type of star. Some are as large as our whole solar system. These are very rare and will become black holes when they die. Black holes are formed by red giants and supergiants when the pressure runs out and the gravity is too much for the star to handle, so it collapses in on itself. The gravity of a black hole is too much even for light to escape. We all know some things about stars, but I hope you learned some new things from this. I know I did. My name is Kieran Jackson, and thank you for listening.